Welcome. If you want to change log method in your CAT S52, let's go for the settings. Right now you have to scroll down and enter the security handle location, tap on the screen lock, and currently we got swipe as the lock method, if we can call it like that. But just to get it like more safe, we can change it for a pattern here on the password. So I'm going for the pattern, click yes, draw your pattern, tap next, and draw it one more time, click confirm. Right now we can adjust the notifications on the lock screen. So if you want to just hide all of the notifications, you have to leave it like that. You can also hide the sensitive content or just show them. Click done, and right now we can check how it changed. And yes, right now we changed the log method from the swipe to our pattern. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.